Welcome. Today I will go over unboxing of the brand new Apple Watch SE from 2022. So yeah, let's just get straight to it. Now I'm not exactly sure if there's any other variants of this, but this is the 44mm. So yeah, now let's just pop this open. So as you can see, we have the watch right up here and our little belt right here. So I'm going to start off with the belt. Now there is something in here. Or is that just the spacing? Yeah, I don't really see how I can open this up without ripping it apart, so I'm just gonna put it away. So there we go, that's basically all we get in the box. Now to quickly go over the specs right here. The display right here is a 1.78 inch display with a resolution of 448 pixels by 368 pixels, and the device has 1 gig of RAM, 296 mAh battery, and runs on processor Apple S8. It has also built-in 32 gigs of internal storage, running Watch OS 9.0, and yeah, I think that's basically all the really worth mentioning specs. Other than that, the watch itself has virtually all the identical specs to every previous one, like the water resistances and the little rotating crown right here. Crown or rotating knob, I don't really know how to call it, with a physical button. So no changes here. It's virtually identical to all the previous ones, just improved and just the specs. Obviously this is the SE version, so it's going to be more towards like the budget one, and there are obviously the more expensive ones which will probably have better hardware. I haven't checked them yet, but that's usually how it goes. Now, one thing that I will mention is this little band right here. This is a quite curious one. As you can see, you just slide it in and you don't actually have a way to take it off. You just stretch it onto your arm. So if you're probably skinny like me, let's see, I don't know, it's actually pretty okay. So it's not tight by any means, as you can see. Kind of, if it falls down, it's loose. I am super skinny, as you can probably tell, but still, it's actually pretty good on my arm. So anyway, that would basically sum up the unboxing of this watch. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit, come on, like, there we go, subscribe, and thanks for watching.